Jumpy Kids!
Days of the week, song of the week. Let's learn them all, come take a peek. There are 7, not too long. Let's name them in this song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, hooray! Now let's learn them day by day. Monday's the start, so calm and sweet. A lovely day for rest and a treat. A Monday comes, it's time for school, with books and friends and learning's cool. A Tuesday's next, we sing and play, counting numbers all the way. A Wednesday's here, hooray, hooray, half the week has passed today. Thursday comes, let's read and draw, paint and play with fun and awe. Friday's here, the week's almost through, let's finish strong with me and you. Saturday's fun, no work, just play, time to laugh and dance all day. Let's say them once again. Let's learn them all, come take a peek. There are 7, not too long. Let's name them in the song. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, hooray! Now we know the day's so fine. 7 days, all in line. Sing with me, hooray, hooray! Let's learn and sing every day.
Jumpy Kids! Tap subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fun moment.